Don't pull your hair out when it comes to editing these Meteor applications. There's an application called Atom, which is spectacular. It has tweakable interface. It's integrated with nodes so you can copy to the desktop and things like that. It's modular so that you can add on. Built by the folks at GitHub who obviously know code, and embraced by the Meteor community. It's also free. Download it at https://atom.io. And once you go there, you'll see the download button here, and I'm just going to go ahead and download that to my desktop. And I'll click on it so that it opens once it's completed downloading. But basically all we want to do is copy that into our applications folder. It's just a basic application. The interesting thing is that it's built on JavaScript, so you actually have the ability to go in and edit the way that it styles everything, the way it shows it to you, the way it acts. So it's a really nice program. So then here, once we get this down to our desktop, we'll unzip the zip file, and then I'm just going to copy that right into my applications folder. Now I'm going to launch it so that it, I can tell it to stay in my dock and things like that. Tell it that it's safe to open. And here I'm just going to say keep in dock. So now I have that always available to me. Now if you go into the preferences, you'll see that they have a install section where you can just type in Meteor, and that's going to find all the Meteor packages. And you notice there's this Meteor API, Meteor Helper, and Meteor Snippets. All three of these are great, so I recommend that you install all of them to help your development efforts. So once we've done this, then now they're included in the package, so in the application. So the other one I want to get is Bootstrap. I use that quite a bit for styling, and there is a really nice Atom Bootstrap 3, so I'm going to install that one, and then that'll give me some shortcuts for some of the common things that you have to do in Bootstrap. So here we've got a couple Meteor packages and a Bootstrap package. We're all set. We should be able to do everything relatively quick. So now I'm just going to go open some Meteor application and test it out just to make sure. So here I'll make a new file called test HTML or something like that. And then basically I just want to type in my shortcut. Yep, see it. If you type in MTP, you get the template. So these are all shortcuts, and if you go back to the packages, you can actually look at the settings for any one of the packages, and you'll see down below like all the shortcuts and everything that are available to you. And so it tells you what you have to type here on the left, and then that's on the right is what you're going to get. And so you can make your own, but if you just want to make use of the ones that the community has given so freely, then you can. And see, here's the Bootstrap one. So if you type in like col dash, it gives you the syntax for creating a column in Bootstrap. Now the Meteor API basically allows you to start Meteor from within here, which I love this feature because you can type in Command-Shift-M as a shortcut, and it'll just start and stop that. You could also reset the project from here. So it gives you a lot of terminal level capability with Meteor as well.